when it comes to just saying go, I know that in some of the conversations I've had, they're anxious. You know, something that's new that they haven't heard from, let's say, a trade magazine or some industry conference about doing. They don't often like to go first. So are you able to share with prospective interested parties case study or testimonials from some accounts? Because I think that goes a long way to build confidence.
We do have on our website several testimonials and case studies, including graphics showing the actual savings achieved, showing the before and after energy consumption on a daily basis.